Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Pilgrim'dict v2, 4 or later and Azure SDK 3. X. Once verified, sign into Azure with an account holding contributor rights. This gives you resource and permission control. Next, create or pick a resource group close to your target region. Then enable the Pinwheel provider and allocate a user-assigned managed identity for Pilgrimmed. Finally, open the network endpoints needed so Pilgrimmed can call Azure APIs. This avoids permission or connectivity failures early. You now register the Azure Pinwheel resource and link the user-assigned managed identity to Pilgrimmed so calls are authorized. Once linked, store credentials, client ID, tenant ID, client secret in Pilgrimmed's secure secret store and tag them for rotation. This makes authentication repeatable and safe. Then map the Azure resources Pilgrimmed will control: storage accounts, compute instances, virtual network ID, and RBAC scopes. As you map, validate each resource ID and permission to prevent runtime authorization errors. You finish by deploying a small test Pinwheel job from Pilgrimmed to Azure and watch logs in real time. This proves the pipeline and surfaces errors. Once the job runs, verify resources were created and that RBAC actions completed without denials. If something fails, pause and recheck the managed identity assignment, API permissions granted to the Pinwheel provider, and any firewall or NSG rules blocking outbound calls. Re-attempt the test after each fix so you confirm the root cause is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.